I'm sorry. And you know, but you got to put the even no one is being you're a businessman in house. You don't know what you're about. Or have a question to you. You don't want to ask the question and then so you didn't answer. You are a child pen, but it's not. You have to. Let me answer that. Let me answer that. You go respect. Oh, oh, no. So I the really bad. I don't have it. I come back. It's the boss. Let's talk about it. Okay. So a lot of things on here are not true. A lot. And you're saying what I'm seeing in the algorithm is that you're being investigated with it 4 years ago, and that there were people around you that are getting charged. But so why you bring it down? I don't think crazy. You don't even know why. It's you know you could fool if they come. Tell them. People already know that. People very good. So no, I don't want to do it. But that's true. What is it? Voice don't take it, the lips don't take it. Why, with this, I mean, you know, these negotiations that men are doing is what happened was this. I don't think everyone goes through things that can see things can flow it. I like people. I like to show them stuff learn. I want people to learn from it. All my new plans for so they can get them pulled out, pause, break the good bone, and then to put on the bone. So that's going to take 6 months steel. So they put this on. But you know, I think it's ridiculous. I hate it. We have really well, you know, I gotta wear it. And then after that, they will put the implants in with teeth, and then 3 months after that, I'll put full teeth. What's the big deal? And that's what it's expensive. And it hurts. I couldn't eat it. So what's the big deal? Just because I don't mind showing my flaws, and you guys hide your flaws. You hide your homosexuality. No, no, I'm trying to do it. So I don't say what good been saying I'm broke for years. They didn't want it. But you say someone that they be like, then oh, they get it. It's like you went to you come in wow, go get real. Like that. But then you can't go out. When I was in the middle, what see, I'm not know today. But because it looks like bright. Yeah, we did it. About 2 days memory. They that we had as a people. If I must have because I've been too late with them. He was able to tell us some sport. He he was saying in the someone to spend it wasn't all he didn't know if he had paid. Oh man. They can talk on the I'm looking at it right now. But you know, I know that you can never yeah, but it's another one of those tall things that they think. And yeah, but they think that you know, she had called the ring and everyone else in the apartment and tried to. Because the woman had like, I was never so but Well, see, what you do is I don't get things going in the league, sometimes they go apart. Like, what? As soon as I let this go, like what? As soon as I let this go, every single thing you started is going the second I leave it, but no one says it. Oh, I go to the next person. Anyway, that's it. Wait, so they no, no, but okay, yeah, but you sound smart than W. You do because if the odds don't see you going to launch another company that more successful than Rockefeller and launches another, maybe like wait, sure, sure, successful. Much longer, maybe I launched French One and it was $100 million company, but you never said word of it. So then, I don't know the hub or make another $100 million company. Okay, so what are you talking about? Sold three companies. How many you sold? You left it, those people went bad. I didn't say what I said those companies were bad. You're dumb. I said the companies I started, and that's what you do. You push things around, and that's what's dangerous about you. And it's the you ever heard Ronald Reagan say he explained your
No, come on, come on.
Oh, I say
Don't take time. Hey, I'm not forced to play it.
so wait a second.
The fact that I'm following where I last pass. What you
Explain what's going on here. Oh, people like a girl. Oh, I'm not. It's not that. Like, no, you have to. Oh, what do you mean? No, 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 let me just finish. So if somebody talking about me, go on camera and I take a call and you don't talk to me, I'm just gonna put them in the thing. Is that a chatting panel? If you go to the chat, you know, I'm chatting, you know, don't, don't get it. So,
Cause I'm still I'm thinking, look at this over here.
so that's what I do. Every time someone, now what you do, look up. One time I talked about someone and their business that wasn't talking about me and their business.
I think I got in this way too late.
Anybody, people talk about, make show it. They'll talk, wait,
Oh, shit.
wait, I'm challenging you to do things. Sure.
Shit. Oh,
The interviews were about his lawyer, standing by the lawyer that took my charge for the payroll, and we went to ball about the payroll. And then people would ask me questions about other things that weren't confidential, but I always said, I don't think it's legitimate. My question was, why were they putting so much fee on it? If you look at me, I never, I always said, I know it's for people, because they lied on me. So I know I'm the trust Nika Shapiro. So based on my personal experience, see, I'm a real businessman. I want these folks to get Shapiro. I won, but you would never report that. They tried to sue me and they lost. You remember that? They didn't get it done. Nothing happened, but no one says that. I do. I'm a titan, but I go to war on the business level. You don't lost. Your logic don't make sense. I think that there's a responsibility for any platform to make sure that things people are saying are true and make sure people.
I'm in it. So, man, and I'm dumping into trades.
Said I don't think that's responsible. Good, we only been on. I think people it's not kids in book that. And I think I don't know what the little girl thinks. No, you know, I'm saying I don't think it's masculine to be talking about another man's pockets, but you're broke. You don't do it. I don't know if you do it. You know, I'm not saying no, but no, question. Let me ask it, but you guys keep interrupting. Let me ask it. Yeah, but it's not. But what I'm saying is, it's not how much money you have, it's about how you live. So this is what I was going to make the point. When you got started 15, 20 years ago, right? You made $10 million. but your lifestyle is still, you still gotta go and
Share the contract. That's the
no
problem.
lifestyle when you were broke. Now, for me, to have to get up in the morning and never be able to leave until I gotta be there for would be hell for me. It would be me being broke. I get up when I want. I get like I get being home is taken care of. How am I? And if you think that way, you're not done it. It's not. But it's some bleak. You know, you no, no. What are you doing? Right. Yeah, so this is what they do. Want to do it. They ain't gonna care. You know what I'm saying is, what I'm saying is, I want to say that I learned from the OG. Okay. All right. And if when you get a chance, can you show them the trailer the Trading Soul already made that they just breezed over like it's not a big deal, but when 50 films or something. But anyway, I got you, I got you, I got you. I know, but the breeze the trailer to shoot it. God, it's all tipsy.
Oh, it's down.
If you guys do this right, it's what? If you do, you already know you're in the club and every day counts, don't you? I wouldn't wait longer to mind my foot. Beating for it. Yeah, I did. It's your joy. Maybe you're going to go up to the for
You're not in it. Wow, you're putting those other this perfectly. It's still hard. Or you have to deal with the negative. That really gonna that is going to now it's going to hurt the nutrient. So it's the real ingredients that make it. That everyone I'm getting. The people really is that having that. Turn up the daily having some power. So it's the you how much you want to what? That without and just listen. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. You turn around. I knew it.
You? I do.
You I'm at the top. I'm not right. Can't do it. How
Big. If I get big for the so in the Godfather, to remember that he played broke and he killed the five family. So if you notice, I got up there with a patch ace. And wanted to look like all that extra big shirt, so I look fat. You understand? I wanted to draw the bomb on me because I didn't know the this would come. What? So it's a little. No, you're not chilling. You're like,
oh my God, I just do that. It's not.
no.
Right.
You today again. You say so again. And what I put to you was the reason why people are they very problem. You know, things do
Crazy, man. So crazy.
and money's going to that is a lot in their job. You see? So it's that. Just because I owe 20 million, we don't pay 20 million. Why do you
Wow. Like, really no reason for me to have done that. Oh, wow.
so then I want you to go home and look at the Godfather 2 and tell me if I didn't get all the thing. No, you get stuff. That's stuff. That's what happened. He
I
went
like the way YM is moving. Wrong with that guy keeps hanging. I know Jackie like that's just ridiculous. This is not even good. I should be saying that YM or yeah. Okay. Gone.
Girl, like you think? You think you be quiet. You feel stupid. Well, you know about how? You go back to Canadian, you know? Maybe talk with the family office. They, with the things kind of decay and kind of for domestic, the invaders do. That's not. Yeah. How did you get there with having that amount in peace? I love you think about them leaving me with the background on it. Because there are a lot of shows. They probably not been a child before. For the D five. So what happened is the whole play is stupid. You know, like you can kiss it. But the only thing I was doing,
Just
you know, like so people there with each other. So like that, it's probably my kind of
right.
once you know, and I'm broke. Yeah, I'm broke. And I gave roles to my family. That's you know what I don't want any news. If you think that having money in your family is being rich, rich people have family offices. You don't put in the name. You have a family office.
I'm not gonna go down that like
Lawyer
from
from
work,
you,
but
and what you think well, paying the book
the Hollywood and 50 takes on.
no,
Oh, if anybody in there can be.
What you doing? Jumping on the way. But if quite check of that, if you are still good in the car, what did Joe do? What what he did was, I said, let's just go to copy a bunch of footage of her in the movie. Her saying the best director. She came to my house 100 times to edit all this stuff. When we did the lawsuit, she testified that
I'm joking, Dick.
well, what happened was Chris Breen also represented this other girl named E.W. Brooks. Didn't I think?
Broke the bottom. It's the very bottom of it.
And that's what he was in the movie. You know, but like it does. That's it. So, and she was saying, you know, because the thing was that you know Florida Jordan, and she talks sexual. I don't want to. And the movie was about a wife that was fucking everybody, and they didn't want to have to directly talk to her a certain way. And the first scene was Rollerball, right? I'm sure you see it's great, but it's a graphic.
Where Fair, but man,
You didn't direct it, you might listen to you, the nature, so I gave her a porno
not really.
that, you know, you can talk about them. And
I'm stressed.
but she was saying that you think that could be
I spent like $600 for 2 days.
felt like it was over and I was like, yo, I didn't need to talk that. That's why I do. She was saying go and so to me, allegedly, she perjured herself for benefit. So and she kind of tried, you know, she posted something up, but then another told her to put it down. But you know, there's things that I have to look at of people that have been treating me unfairly because it's stupid people have been saying things that aren't true. And going people start to believe it. So if you say something isn't true, but you don't say nothing now, it'll go on an algorithm. And then it like if you accuse me of hiding money, I don't protect myself, then I don't got the feds calling. So I have to correct it. When people say these false narratives, I have to say something because you know, you're not in big business. You've been working. You've been, you know, you've been working for somebody your whole life. I didn't even work for you. And it was for you. It's not good work. What's the phone? You said, you said, I said, right. So I asked you, you said, probably, you know, more than that. I mean, I'm going to start the word. I miss it being, oh, I just don't know. Because I probably know some different. I think that when I posted that you know, I just think I worked with the police. I think I don't you don't see why every day I'm gonna do
Maybe come back from there.
I would do a book with them. The flying so to it's not like the fact I go into school with the boys and you up here, you know. They don't talk about the ladies the thing and everything.
Stir with water and just stir.
And then I didn't care push the really found it's the whole thing. Push you over the lean all going to rush the such thing and the problem was this. What brings the fifth populist struggle? But they don't talk about that. Stir, but you don't always do it. You know, a kid, you know, the principle was wrong with it. You know, 50% it is, because I'm going to do by style, because style, I'm trying for more rich about it. First, well, you have the things that are yeah, but I'm not going to start with something. Push down, push down, push down. What are you doing? Push down, push down. Worse. If I do. I would want it there. Teaching your own. Yeah, no, you're used to my pain. And I'm going to it's like me in there. I want to do it. And they didn't put fucking. Then it would be so when you look at everything means all you least can sit, take it up. Thing what I want. Come on, push, push, that's what I do. My goal. I'm showing on sure what it is. Fine. So, then I'm saying this, right? We should always something.
Try good.
And I think for that, this man and his wife was sick. He did not leave the hospital for 4 weeks. He was falling every day. Correct?
Right. It's really well. Okay. That was, you know what?
You know what I'm saying? Then we said, God, yeah, the illest way.
Start blow my one account.
I'm talking.
Include. That's what I'm saying. Open it right. After see what's going to get on include up on my account. Every single time. Okay. I don't know what you should be doing the most. But it can't be the most. And jerking and moving it. It's the move was straight and like straight move yes, but just a little bit faster than he does. Straight move on to this night right here, but
Well, bro.
I ain't gonna be in the same though. Funny though, for sure.
Inspire people to talk.
What's that funny now?
But how do you teach people to come up on the right morals so they should make it and not end up in jail? Just right is right, wrong is wrong.
They're still going.
You know what's wrong, what's wrong. Follow your heart, do what's right. You go murder somebody, you personalize
So
somebody.
it's a big thing where they would go
Like I said, yeah, I put that one in.
when he
Bobby, thank you.
big one 136 at one step 670. It's probably take that out right there because that's exactly where it is.
It's treat people like
Just trying to push through it, but I'm
you don't know that boy. You only want to be injured, leaking on the ground. Why would you do that to some?
yeah.
You do that. You all, please. Right?
Going on it, but I don't know if it's gonna push through it. So somewhere I might be having this video to know if people. Yeah, I'm not trying to eat you anymore. It's just no. I just can't. I just can't do it. I'm sure the poor happy.
Saw it, friend. Well, like for
I can
example,
see what's going on.
not really quick. Yeah, of course. So I said, my wife was around. So it was like, we got a big crowd, a lot of people comes, do something positive, right?
So trying to. And I do have this right here for a while.
Let's introduce our sons to law, so they don't be out here beating, fighting because they don't know each other. Yeah. Not knowing the relationship that they fathers be having. That's supposed to bring them some unity. Say that as they like.
Wrong with this boy.
Last
Oh, it's supposed to be there.
tell brothers to come together. Cool.
See, it's wake up though. Oh no, that's the end. I'm sure what is wild. John,
That's cool, but they say, they come around, you all really.
trying to see where we trying to go. You know?
We haven't done this shit, bro. So at the
See, try to get like. I think it's gonna come to this right here and then retest and then come back down.
do it, that don't really live from
Right here.
So he's there, he talking like this.
Push it down. I need a well, this might be a good one.
Exactly.
Why him?
I do get a little tight because it hurts me to see that we can't come together. What you think for? And I'm talking about you bringing your son, bringing your son. We talking about our son too.
So level right here at 6104 to
Just
bringing it back up.
and just be a man and let's show unity to our sons. For example, in the lifetime, we don't really.
Oh, so yes, the order right here, kind of bring it up. I should probably go ahead and get it into. So one of the orders trying to bring it up. But it looks like you want to go down and get all of those orders first before coming up.
They will make it your favorite part and make it easy to with you. Here we go, it's simple. If it will not, it's all been done.
I did really good. But I don't want to this is like the W format he wants.
It's fine.
I don't know why the impacts.
See the difference.
We talk from that shit. We know how ugly it is. Like you said, shit is ugly, bro. As a man, like I'm a grown man now. I was young, I did all that shit. Whatever. A grown man right now, without purpose, is something in life that I need to do. But not for nobody else, for my sons, my kids, just to show them some type of unity that we could do this shit. Let's bring this shit together.
We have to get
Right.
this. Because
We gotta wait for nobody else to come along. We here now. What we gonna wait for? Next Malcolm X? Next Malcolm? No, we here now. You know what I'm saying? Okay, who's this on the script, by the way? Oh, no, wait, I was like, damn, when we died, I could have done better.
they try and send them completely. Why it might just be it. I'm so mad I just missed my count today. Because I had so many counts yesterday because I was on MQ over leveraging. And then I come again today and over leverage.
So, you know, Larry is the guy that
Ridiculous.
my son for him. And you know, I mentioned to him, it was like, 'cause I knew Larry before. And you know, he did some things. Actually, I think this is a longer story, but he did something I didn't like, so I wasn't listening to him. You know, I actually told him not to be intelligent. So, I mean, he was the reason why I got a couple of bullshit. So,
Get this
I
one.
like him, we fucking with him. Like, if he was fucking with him, he was in that's fine. But Larry called me. Hey, Larry, wife was going through some situation. So
I should probably not be in this because it might just be, yeah, see, that's what I'm saying.
You know, G goes, where you at? He goes, I'm in bed, sleep.
I didn't even have my thing going, knowing it's a level right here, bringing it up.
Because I've been late to it, like being in high school, he told me some things and just triggered some shit in my situation, watching my wife go through all these different situations. And I just said to him, how could you be anywhere but by her side right now? If she dying, bro, she had her last days. Like for me, when the doctors told me I might have weeks to days, months to weeks, I needed all that. I needed every second, every minute left. Well, I need to be with my wife, bro. Like nothing else is more important than time. If we had $1 billion, you give up that $1 billion for some more time. So I needed to be with her, and I needed to let her know I'm right by your side. When you die, if you ever come to that point, you dying. It's one thing you probably need more than anything. Just somebody right there next to you, especially hold on, man. Especially if it's your wife, if it's your girl. You want somebody to be next to you. So even as a man, I don't think I would want nothing. Probably my wife, so you know, just right next to you.
Right.
Help right. He told Larry, you know, that thing over there, I'm fucking you up. He said, my shit was fucking you up. Nothing to do with that. No, it's cool. I wanted to thank you to take this time. If you had fucking us besides somebody, we'll leave it right here. Nobody, don't call me about that. You know what I mean? Even though he going through what he going through with me, and I'm so damn too.
Yeah, I'm going down my shit.
Shit right now, it's time for all that. Fuck all that. That's it ain't important. The life and death situation is more important. Well, the dude gotta understand that love is powerful, man. You know what I mean? You got a wife, right? You know how much she needs, 30 years. I have 37. So when you got a wife, like I tell dudes, when you go to jail, you're in the hospital, you with you, right?
Oh, I like one of them. Man, 850.
You got me fucking call.
I like one of them.
Something to happen, like,
I like that.
oh, like,
And I used to, the first thing I started trading, and I have made so much money the very first time I traded this my live account. I had put $200 in my live account and I made $900 in one day. But I was like super like I was just taking a bunch of trades, made $900. But then the next day, lost it all. Oh, I was trading that stupid thing, but I was going to start trading like a couple weeks of student work trading.
so I had some whole for me.
And then firms and I'm saying NASDAQ, and so I went in NASDAQ. But
You know what that do?
I like
You
the
feel like that, so
trace, very smooth,
I hope I got through for you.
very smooth.
To be right with you.
Like the now, and yes, trace long. What does it just feel? Yes, it's over. The song, 6,150 just sitting there for things to do anything.
You need a meeting.
Now it's gone.
What?
One of them is gone.
I'm doing.
I don't want to go though.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
I gotta go. Well, bye.
8.
I'm sick of don't mess my account. I just gotta let it go. What am I? I don't want execution done. And we don't want money. Yeah, I'm waiting on this one because you know what?
What? No, it's been like 5 months now.
I don't want
I still wait. Well, man, but yeah, you see, you will never be able to tell whether it's what's inside. You know what I'm saying?
to.
And I just want to shout out my man Larry, wish him all the best, and I hope he buys by his side. And anybody that's going through that type of shit, just call out and be a man and respect love. 'Cause love is what we.
It's gonna go to here.
It's gonna be by us when we fucked up and we down and nothing. Y'all should all know if we got a girl, we got.
And she goes maybe up to here first.
That's what it's about.
She goes probably up to here first and then go to here. So like
I told Scroll,
maybe to go like to this little thing
to go with
and then go to
cast, yeah.
like go up to here
Oh,
and then down to here.
right? No, it didn't even matter. You know, I just put in the work and broke my finger, my hand, right the busting.
See,
This don't not do for me and my wife. I goes home and I know I had to take a shit. He took me right in my ass.
or I don't even go all the way up there. Oh, there it is.
Mom had fight bro. But you know how deep that is? Who else could you trust? You want your bro. You can't ask always of nobody who knows shit like that.
Yeah.
But I want a chance for like 4 or 5 minutes. Every time I have to go get up. Like that's it's crazy, but that's how I love that.
It's just crazy. It's so wild right now.
Love means everything. No show. It's just how it will respect the power of your wife give you. It's come from
According to plan.
Shit y'all having and listen with what's on. Yeah, the kids wrong. If you have anything that you do with your foundation, you get them up there, who's it right? You know, person is right. It's one day you need to compare. We never think of the day. I'm sure many outlets have. We all go back and forth with them, but we really, I don't know, but we really respect Dave, respect the work that he put in, and we appreciate you. We go back and forth. You guys, the body don't like that. Yeah, I already know. I just thought you told me stories about how you and them were the officer. I don't know that. Yeah, nah, pause. Pause. But he told me y'all had good conversation and shit like that. Y'all brothers, y'all do. You know what I mean? Like, we don't want everybody to think this shit is all playing fun. You know, radio is radio. Real life is real life. Yeah. You know, salute y'all. Y'all doing a good job. Keep telling people. You know what I mean?
That's it. One account. So and this account is restricted, so I'm not trading no more anyway. So
Let me drop it. Let me drop it now. You know what I mean? I'll be listening to it. If you want me to hear. I think we will love it. I wouldn't say thank you. I appreciate it. Still here. I mean, again, a lot of people won't.
I would have I would have.
Very few. I've tried to back through this situation.
And then once it came back, once it broke through that,
And every time I see it, it's too much.
that's it.
Beefing with all.
Messed me up again.
Well,
The 1,000th time.
they play very cool there, but no, we couldn't live from that, but they talk. like Walt, and you can't say nothing bad about these people. He may not be the wisest thing, but he can say
She's crazy. Like, just F me up.
What the right? You say you the right, but you just said the why? Well, what is the really what is true? After the these folks that made you hell of a for that. I know this is the real part of that was the one thing. That's what it's possible. All right. I don't tomorrow, I'm dropping the dish racket for 50. And all people finish a dish record for 50 and trying to collect, nothing I'm playing for me. So you can go to American Noon and listen to it. We'll see the trailer for Paid in Full, My Paid in Full. It's called My Paid in Full. I don't have to buy right for anything because I was there. I really used to
See, that would have been good because then it would have been like
I heard him say something and he put the way
137, 134. Look at this right there.
I said that and it was great. But he told me, put some bricks with his voice. No, you're dumb. You're playing right? Yes.
That was good.
You're playing
Good 30. That was right there.
Well, but the next though, so the she was Peter played. And then I'm gonna show you what episode was it. Okay, cause he said I was on it. Before we leave, I want you to see that episode, cause you said I was on it.
Like, yeah, okay, when I first came back here, that was good to watch it. You could have gotten in that, and it was 50.
Well, I'm sure
That's 75 and 50 is really what I wanted to be.
my 35, well, peace to me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm sure everything listen. Ladies and gentlemen, the appreciate. Shout out, look for My Paid Full, a real story from people that actually did it home. And it will be on your board. And if things go the way I want,
So somebody travel with 2 different tracks.
to acquire until they see all of my content. Next week, because see bosses take losses.
Gotta go.
I need both. We need nothing on the block.
So,
And we don't care boss. Two kids. Yeah, I mean, he's a good kid. Well, I'm not gonna, it was cute. That's it, he was the CEO. But you're doing real acquisition.
I was going for the objects on I'm shopping from here in the UK.
Putting all my content on there. And there's, giving it to everybody to watch it, and so, but, so for every week, you're gonna see bosses, like bosses start next week for the floor. And then, but if like I don't get the five, I won't put that in four, but it's done, right, it was, gotta put it.
I think I'm sure she didn't spell.
You see these first, and every characters, then it's the script. Same thing with Power, the book, the docuseries TV show. So watch my new show, Power, that I actually do, not Captain. I didn't write it yet. I mean, Michelle is writing it, and she's also writing the story.
Get out of here.
And 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 what do you know? So shout out to that. So it takes thank you. Just go think. Just go.
Okay, just off. I got it.
Just go. You see, again, the black.